What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, tech, and life. And for this episode, I'm excited to bring you my review of the Nike M2 Tekno. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away 4 champion caps as well as an off-white Rastaklat. All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on IG, and hit the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Go! This sneaker, the Nike M2K Tekno, has the distinct honor of being the sneaker that was trolled by Kanye West. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, Kanye West actually went to Twitter when this sneaker was announced to be able to throw some shade at it because it kind of looked like, at least to him, the Yeezy 700 Wave Runners. And that's why he went to Twitter, blasted it, and eventually he deleted the tweet. But yeah, he kind of gave it more hype and he kind of gave it more cred just by calling out, and that's probably why it has so much more desirability now because he did that. So Nike should be thanking Kanye for the shade he threw at this sneaker. Now, I was able to cop this for less than 5,000 pesos over at Soul Academy. I'm not sure if they still have stock, nor am I sure what colorways are still available over at their store. But what I can tell you right now up front is that this is one great bang for your buck chunky dad sneaker. The M2K Tekno was actually inspired by the Nike Air Monarch, which came out in 2002. That was their original dad shoe / chunky sneaker way back then. There's actually a lot of discussion going around that Nike should have just called this the Air Monarch 2.0. However, they did away with that name and instead they went with the M2K Tekno. What changed? Actually, a lot of things. Number one, it's a little bit more narrower to give it a more modern and sleeker vibe. And number two, probably the most pronounced and nicest change is that they added this bright heel clip at the back, and usually the color accent is this plastic heel clip that you guys see here. Regardless what colorway, usually this is the one that pops, that gives it a little more modern vibe compared to the original bland designs and color of the Nike Air Monarch. Those are the good changes. The bad changes, though, was that I really can't find any tech in the midsole because, as the name suggests, the Air Monarch actually had an airbag in the midsole, giving it great cushioning and, tech from Nike. This one looks like your typical chunky dad sneaker midsole and is probably the reason why it is priced below 5,000 pesos or priced below $100 here in the Philippines. By the way, quick trivia to those who don't know, this sneaker was actually originally made exclusively for women. However, maybe due to the demand, Nike eventually came out with men's sizes because, as we all know, dad shoes are all the rage right now, and having an affordable, stylish dad shoe in the market open for both men and women just probably made a lot of sense to Nike. So let's go over the design. If you guys take a look at the upper, it's a mix of mesh, synthetic leather, and probably neoprene all over it. And the one that I picked is dominantly black with shades of gray with accents of blue and bright orange or red here at the midsole, and then white for the dominant part of the midsole. If you take a look at the branding, this actually has a lot of swoosh, Nike swoosh logos. I counted a total of 7, so you have one in blue on both sides, so 1 and then 2, you have black, 3 and then 4, and then you have on the tongue tab, which makes it number 5, you have the one at the bottom, which makes it number 6, and you have another one in the insole, which makes it number 7. So yeah, Nike really went all out with their swooshes. Actually, make that 8, there was also another small one here that I missed. One thing that definitely stood out for me is how padded this sneaker is, and that's a good thing, because if you take a look at the tongue, it is extremely thick and padded all the way down. Now, usually when you talk about tongues for sneakers and padding, it's just the upper part which hits the top of your foot. But the padding for this sneaker is the entire tongue. So it's like some thick foam that sits on top of your entire foot. And that same padding can be found along the collar of the sneaker, which gives excellent comfort and cushioning to your ankle and to the top of your foot, which probably offsets the fact that the midsole doesn't have any air technology. It's just your typical EVA foam. But having said that, on feet, it's actually a pretty good sneaker. I mean, it's not as comfortable as Boost, it's not as comfortable as Bounce, but it is, above average. It's much better than the Profir. It's leagues better than the Commanda or the Sobakov, and it's much better than a lot of other different brands of sneakers from both Adidas and Nike within the same price range. And that's why I think I love this sneaker. That's why it's so easy to wear. And that's why I think it gives excellent bang for your buck when it comes to the budget that you spend for it. In terms of sizing, I would actually recommend that you guys take half a size down. This is actually a full size down for me. This is size 11. I'm usually size 12. I would have probably gotten size 11.5, but they didn't have it in that size. But even at size 12, it fits. But to be honest, I think I should have gone at least half size down, not full size down. So if you guys are going to buy online, while it would make so much more sense for you to try it on first in a store, but if you don't get the chance, you might want to go for half a size down versus going true to size or even going like half a size up. So yeah, that's it for my review of the Nike M2K Tekno. It's a dad shoe that's worth every peso. It's a dad shoe that you can beat up and wear every day. And it's just an all-around comfortable beater that, yeah, you guys will probably love to rock if you are into this kind of style. That's actually it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do make sure that you subscribe to the channel and you follow me on Instagram so you can be part of our raffle for the 4 champion caps and the Rastaklat off-white bracelet. That's it for now. Peace. Hope you all have a great week. God bless. What's up?